How many of you play computer chess game? Maybe quite a few. Let me ask one thing. How many games will you win with your computer? 10 out of 10? Or 5 out of 10? Or maybe 1 out of 10 also possible. But in fact, most of the people like me can win 0 games out of 10. Really? How can that possible? I thought humans are the smartest animals on the earth. Then how does this silicon powered box can overtake human smartness? If you can Google, you'll find a lot of chess computers that had beaten the world's best chess players. What's that? Let's see. Hello everyone, welcome to Dumb Minds Presents Machine Learning for All. I am Sukresh and I will be assisting you to learn machine learning with both theory concepts and practical implementations in Python and Java. So far we had discussed about supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Today I am here to tell you the most used and one of my favorite too, that is reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, the main concept is to taking an action that can maximize the reward in a particular situation. It is in fact used in many softwares and machines to find the best possible behavior or a path. Let me take an example and explain it. If you can see the above image, it shows a robot, a diamond and fire. The goal of the robot is to reach the diamond by avoiding the obstacles. That is the fire here. The robot has to learn by trying all possible ways and choosing the path which gives him a reward with least hurdles. Each right step will give him a reward. Each wrong step will subtract a reward from that. So at the end, the total reward will be calculated. So this is how reinforcement learning works. So our machine needs to try all the possible ways and it has to increase the rewards. Unlike supervised learning, where our machine will be trained with the data having answer keys, reinforcement learning has no answer keys provided, but the agent, that is the robot here, decides what to perform in order to do the given task. As the training dataset is absent, the machine has to learn from its experience. So this is how an exact reinforcement learning works. You got it right? So let me explain it again for you. In the reinforcement learning, we won't be having dataset. So our agent, whatever that might be, here I am considering it as a robot. So my agent has to find the path, or it has to take an action that can give its most rewards and reduce the obstacles during the path. So this is what called reinforcement learning. And there are mainly two types of reinforcement learning. One is a positive and another is a negative. Positive in the sense, the main approach is to maximize the strength and frequency of the machine. So it is in a positive way. So that's why it is called a positive reinforcement learning. And negative in the sense, it has to minimize the negative conditions. So that's why it is called a negative reinforcement learning. So that is in positive, increase the productivity, whereas in negative, we decrease the loss. As there are many advantages with the reinforcement learning, it is mainly used in industrial automation and data processing. And if you can come to the chess playing computers, they are actually made with the reinforcement learning. So that is why they are very good at chess playing. So today's moral is to practice makes not only man perfect but also a robot. So if you have beaten your computer in chess, let me know who are those aliens in the comment section. If you are impressed with the work, please kindly to give us a like, share and don't forget to subscribe to Dumb Minds. Thank you and see you in the next session.